This is Steve Pestillo from P2 Automation. In this next video, I want to show you a feature that you may not expect to see in a CRM system: invoices. Now I know what you're thinking. Invoices don't belong in a CRM. Invoices belong in your accounting system or your ERP system. And you're right, I am not advocating for turning your CRM into an accounting system. In fact, in the 30 plus years that I've been in this business, I can't think of a single time where I would recommend that. However, I can think of a dozen reasons why you would want to have a copy of your invoices in your CRM system. Maybe you want to provide a simple graphic to your sales team of their sales history on a per year basis at the account level. We can pull that from the invoices. Or maybe you want to see the first and last invoice date so you can get an idea of how old the customer is and the last time they purchased something. Or maybe your marketing department could use that information so they can send targeted emails based on the last time they purchased something. Or maybe you want past due amounts, average days to pay. You want to see if a customer's on credit hold. Those are all things you can pull from invoices or the accounting system in general. Here's a list of invoices for a customer. And if I click on one, it has everything I need to know from that invoice. Who sold it, ship method, billing method, is it emailed, is it printed, tracking number, amount due, right down to the line item. Now, not every CRM needs this. However, for this particular customer, there's a couple reasons to have this information in the CRM system. Maybe a customer wants a copy, and instead of calling the accounting department, they're on the phone with their salesperson. That salesperson can send that information right away. And let's say that salesperson doesn't have a license to the ERP system. Those can get expensive. Well, they don't need a license to the ERP system, they just need a copy of the data. I can go on and on about the reasons, but this video is about process flow. Sending these invoices from the accounting system, in this particular case, has proven to be a challenge. The system's a little bit old. It only allows for one email address for invoices that are sent by email, and it's a little bit slow. It's also something that's done twice a day. Batch invoices are created and sent in the morning, and credit card invoices are created and sent in the afternoon. None of that has changed in this system. The accounting system is still used to process the invoices and track the money. But as soon as that's done, a copy of the invoice data gets sent right to the CRM system. The accounting department goes into the system and it can see a list of invoices to print, invoices that can be emailed, credit card receipts to print, and credit card receipts that can be emailed. Now, how does the system know whether to email or print the invoice? That's all driven back here at the account screen right here. Invoices can be either emailed, mailed, or not sent at all. And as a salesperson or an accounting person, you can decide who gets the invoice emails by default. For invoices and credit card receipts to be emailed, the contact needs to have an email address. If they don't, those invoices show up on the print list, regardless of what their default method is. To print the invoices, the user can select one or more or select the entire batch. And then using one of our favorite tools, DocumentsCorePack, we actually generate those invoices with one click. And the same thing holds true for the invoices to email. Select one or more, and then click the Send Email button, and off they go. Once the email is sent, it'll show up in the timeline so that anybody in the company that has access to the activities can see when the invoice was sent, who it was sent to, and they can even view a copy of the PDF attachment. If you'd like our help automating your accounting process or any process with your company, reach out to us today at www.p2automation.com. And remember to subscribe for our YouTube channel.